You're welcome. So today we'll be looking at some of the currency pairs that have shown that are giving us opportunity. We are expecting this Euro USD to retrace for at least this area, because that 61.8 Fibonacci level. Okay, so our pending order is sitting around there. Pending order is sitting around there. Then we have our stop loss somewhere outside. But for people that are day traders, what I told us is that we should, if your account is small on this currency pair, you can wait for the market to drop. Let me just show you what I mean. We will be waiting for this trade to at least come down to this level. Then on the 15 minutes time frame, we'll wait for a change of character. Then we can jump in and keep our risk very low. So if the market manages to get here, somewhere here, we'll be waiting for it to go up, take that high. Then when it comes back, we will not take that buy on the 15 minutes time frame. But for people that have a larger account, you don't need to stress yourself with that. Just set your pending order at 147.074, and then you are good to go. Then another currency pair I'm looking at is this pound against the US dollar. If you look at pound against dollar, it's almost the same story. If you go to the daily time frame, you see some of the things there. Let's zoom out the daily time frame. So on the daily, this is what I see. You can notice that there was a serious consolidation. The market was just consolidating around this zone for a considerable period of time. But if you watch, it just broke this level. Consolidation was around this zone, but the market just broke here. That was a clear breakout, though there's a level here that we've not yet taken off. But what I'm expecting this currency to do is to push back somewhere around here. Because majority of my technical analysis, I do it using the Fibonacci tool. So if this market pulls back to this region, we'll be looking to take a sell. So for pound against the US dollar, I am looking to go to take a sell. So let me show you exactly what I'll be doing. Let me delete everything there. Okay, so if we come to the daily, to the 4-hour time frame, this is what we have. Please take this ray and mark the region where it broke out. The market broke this level. It broke this level. It was just playing around this zone for a long period of time, just around here. But here you can see a clear breakout. So what I will be doing is this. I will take the Fibonacci tool from this high down to the low. That low. Let me make it bold so you can see. Okay, so what we will be doing is this. We wait for this market to at least push to the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Don't be surprised that it can even push to this 0.78, which is 78%. So I'll be looking to place my trades either here or here, depending on the price action that I have seen. So for now, if you are a swing trader, if you're going to swing this currency, you can place 2 pending orders. Divide your risk into 2 and place 2 pending orders. So we are taking a sell around here, which is my first target, my first entry zone. Yeah, so I can take 1 trade there, and I can still take another trade here, depending. on the price action that I see. So any of those two are valid trades we can take. Though the second one it actually has a higher risk to reward ratio. So these are the trades I'll be taking. So you can do your proper calculation and know where to place your stop loss and your take profit. You know the amount of money in your trading account. I encourage people not to risk more than 2% of their account on any single trade. So this trade is there. So if you are not comfortable with this one, you can just place your pending order at as a sell limit at 1.2716, or the first one is 1.2675. If you have any question, any concern concerning this particular trade that I have shown you, you can drop it on the comment. If I read your comment, I will respond to it. Maybe after the live stream, I'll make sure you get an answer. So this is my forecast for the pound against the US dollar. Now there is still a way you can trade for lower risk. If you want to do that, what I encourage you to do is wait, because if you wait for this market to push to this point, to this area, then you can drop to a lower time frame, because the higher time frame has already told you that we should be selling that currency pair. We should be selling. So what you can do on the 15 minutes time frame is to watch for something like this. So we wait. This market will push. It will push to somewhere here. Then you wait for the price action like this. Then you can take a sell down. That way your stop loss will just be very tight. So that is that about the pound against the US dollar. For me, I'm taking a pending order right now, a sell limit on GBPUSD at 1.27. Let me take that down. The sell limit at 1.2674. 1.2674. So you will ensure to do proper risk management on that trade. Then another one we'll be looking at is NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar against the United States dollar. Okay, this currency, if you go to 4-hour time frame, the price action is almost like that of the US dollar. You can see here that this market is trending down, in a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. So market pushed down, went up, for some time, then pushed down, went up, pushed down there. So I'm expecting to sell this currency pair also. So this is on the 4-hour time frame. Let me clean all my drawings. So if I've cleaned all my drawings, this is what I see on New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So let's do this. If you take Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low, that is on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this market, what I'm seeing there is like it already broke the 61. It touched the 61.8 pip level. So let's go to a lower time frame, like the 1 hour. So we are here on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me delete all this. Just this trade has already rejected the level very well. It just touched here slightly and started dropping. But I won't just enter the trade right here. I will still wait for it to come here again. So I will still place my pending order here. Already the market is already selling. So it's either we'll miss the trade or we'll wait for it. I don't want to jump into this trade. It has already touched 61.8 fib level, but I still expect I'll give it maybe one more room to come back here and touch this level. Like if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, what do we see? On the 15 minutes time frame, what you can see there is that this what I just want you to be aware of is for the pound, the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, we are selling. I'm only looking for the right place to place this trade to minimize the risk. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So if this market will come back here, this is 15 minutes time frame. We already pushed down, came here, went up, came. So two things that can happen. We'll take this level down here. So if the market breaks, down below here, then we'll wait for it to come back and we take the trade. Okay. Another way is for you to just set your pending order, sell limit. So sell limit at 0.61141. 0.61141. So if we want to calculate our risks and our rewards, I always use my calculator. So let me go here. If I go to investing.com and let's receive the economic data for New Zealand dollar, NZDUSD. Okay, so we use this data to set the stop loss. Okay, so if we take this data, it's going to be a long trade. So we'll use the weekly data. If you use the weekly data to set your stop loss and you take profit target, so if you copy this to the calculator, we are expecting a 1% movement. Okay, so our entry point for a sell is at 0.6114. No, 0.6114. Entry point 0.6114. So the stop loss is going to be at 0.6051, while our take profit is going to be at 0.6303. Risk reward ratio of 1:3. So let's visualize that. So for this currency pair, if we take the trade here, stop loss is going to be kept at 0.6051. 0.6051. Then take profit. Take profit is going to be at 0.6303. 0.6303. So back to the 4-hour time frame, so we can see where is the take profit 0.63. Just 1 minute. Zero point 0.611141. Of course. Oh, sorry, I used the buy this in calculator. 0.61141. Stop loss is at 0.6177. While take profit is at 0.5925. Okay, so let's go back. So stop loss by time that stop loss is 0.6177. 0.6177. Then take profit. Take profit is at 0.5925. 0.5925. Yeah, so you have it there. This is what I mean from here. This is now our stop loss, while here is our take profit. So those are the parameters for NZDUSD. It's a sell. Entry point